Hi, I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Today's August 14th, 2023. And I got this word early this morning. It's kind of heavy, so I'm just going to read it. And it's going out as a tell it like it is. So, Father, thank you for your word of truth. Holy Spirit, I believe the Holy Spirit is what gave me this. And we rebuke all the evil in Jesus, Yeshua's name. Listen to the words. It's kind of like amazing. The cruelty of man, should he be damned? We're not accountable for each other's actions. Are they distractions from the real problem in man's heart? He did depart. He walked away from his God that day when he chose to be cruel, and evil was fueled. He let the devil in and therefore commit sin by acting out his crime against humanity, a depravity, a tragedy. And why does it happen? Has mankind fallen, chosen to walk away from their God, to follow their fallen star, who was hurled out of heaven to get rid of the leaven? Are we so foolish to acknowledge what we know is so wrong, hoping to sing our own song so people will feel our wrath and follow this evil path? We choose each and every day to disobey or to listen to our Father and walk with honor. Don't walk the path of destruction. It's only the devil's unction to kill and destroy. It's his ploy. If you have hatred in your heart towards someone who played evil's part, you must choose your own path that will last and bring you into harmony, not some evil anomaly. Love is love and hate is hate. Make no mistake, or it will be too late, and everyone will suffer if you do not put up that spiritual buffer and reject what is wrong only to sing the Lord's song, so there can be peace, not evil's increase. Let us defeat and make sure we do not retreat, but move forward in this battle to stop evil's cruelty against mankind and stop his crime. Love the Spirit. Can you hear it? That's what I got. Go and listen to it, because he's telling us about the cruelty of mankind and the things we do that are cruel to each other. And that takes away the fact that we're sister and brother. And there will never be healing in this land until we understand that we can't walk in the devil's plan, but we have to follow the leading of the Spirit, and everyone must hear it. I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Gary and I love you very much. Have a blessed day, and I will be back when he sends me back again.